What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm sharing pumpkin protein muffins. These are perfect for this season. Each muffin has about 8 grams of protein, and they're super easy to make. Gonna start with my ingredients. I have pure pureed pumpkin here. It comes in a can and you want to use actual pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Pumpkin pie filling will have way too much sugar than we need for this recipe. So actual pumpkin is what I'm using. Super easy to find in most grocery stores. And then I have flour, protein powder, baking soda, pumpkin pie spice, and salt. You can use any protein powder you like. I'm using a vanilla flavored powder. And then I have unsalted butter, applesauce, and beaten eggs. I'm using a butter and applesauce combination here to lower the calories. You can skip the applesauce and use the same amount of butter if you wish, but using applesauce will give you similar results to butter and it will save some calories. I also have some monk fruit chocolate chips here along with some vanilla extract. I'm gonna start by putting my pumpkin in a mixing bowl along with the vanilla, the beaten eggs, the applesauce, and the butter. I'm gonna give everything a nice good stir to combine. You first combine your wet ingredients in a bowl and then your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. From there, I'm using a different bowl to combine all of those dry ingredients. I'm gonna give that a good stir. Then I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to the dry and give everything a gentle mix. And you can see that this muffin batter is gonna dry out a lot thanks to that protein powder. So what I do is I keep a little bit of water handy and I'm gonna drizzle some in there. So right there I drizzled in 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna give everything a stir. I'm adding in another tablespoon and I'm gonna give everything a stir. And then I come back again with another tablespoon. And so the point here is to get everything nicely incorporated, but not to use too much water. So I go light at the beginning. Then once that's combined, I fold in the chocolate chips and I'm adding everything to a muffin tin without cupcake liners. When you bake with protein, a lot of times the muffin liners will cause that batter to stick. And so if you use a greased muffin tin, these turn out perfectly every time. I bake these at 350 degrees for 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick returns clean. And that is all. These are so simple to make, perfect for breakfast or just a snack.